Hi everybody, this is Mr. Walden. Today we're going to make these tinfoil sculptures that show shadows and light source. First, let's make the Tinfoil Man. I'll show it to you step by step. First, get a piece of tinfoil a little bit over a foot. Crumple it up until it is long and skinny. Take some time with this. Don't twist it too much or else it might break or become too hard to work with. Just kind of press it together till it's long and thin. Now we're going to do this 2 more times until you have 3 pieces of tinfoil that are crumpled up into long and skinny forms. Take the first piece of tinfoil and turn it into a V shape. This is going to be your legs. You can bring feet down if you want to. Take the next piece of tinfoil and put it under through the V and make another V. Then you're going to bring both sides together and twist it. This is going to be your body. Leave a little bit untwisted at the top. The last piece of tinfoil is for the arms. Bring that through the little top piece where you didn't twist yet, and then twist together a head to hold it in. If your arms or legs are too long, you can trim them, but watch it. Your arms actually go down to between your waist and your knees. Now you can start playing with the different poses. Have fun with it. Think about elbows, think about knees, feet. The pose can be whatever you'd like it to be. After you get your pose done, you can glue it down to cardboard or paper or whatever you have. You can use a hot glue gun. I used epoxy because I didn't have a hot glue gun. But you could also use tape. Now let's talk about shadow. When I bring my flashlight to one side of my sculpture, the shadow goes to the other side. And when I bring my flashlight back to the other side of the sculpture, the shadow will move to the other side of the sculpture. Now the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So in the morning, your shadow from the sun will be in a different place than your shadow from the sun will be in the evening, and vice versa. Check it with yourself. I brought my sculpture outside at exactly 3:15 in the afternoon, so the sun was already in the west. Make sure that your sculpture is posed exactly like you want it, because this is the last time you're going to get a chance to move around the pose. Now using a pencil, trace your shadow. Take your time and make sure that you get the whole thing in. Now I'm going to trace around the pencil line I made with the shadow with a marker so I can see it better. Make sure that you get the whole thing. Now paint in the shadow. If you don't have paint, you can also color it. That's just fine. As an option, if you would like to, you could paint or color the outside of the shadow a different color too. I didn't because I had this white cardboard and I liked the way that looked. If you would like, you don't even have to have a rectangle base. You could cut it into a shape that's a little bit more interesting. That's what I did. Anyway, I hope everybody likes this project as much as I did. Have fun with it, and bye.